nuts that need to be removed to take out the stock pannier rack setup. This is the one which we got from Cookies. This is not sufficient to install in Fine-Art 2X or Fine-Art 2. So we need a couple of more clamps, and some clamps which are provided by them, we can't use it. Two more similar L clamps are ready. Let's install it now. This is the top case mount. We have fixed it with two bolt and nut. As you can see, the length of the bolt is almost about to touch the bike fiber part, but it's safe. We have tested it. Here it will be touching the tail indicator's support rod, as you can see. So here one and here one bolt nut will be fixed. As of now it's strong, so to be on the safer side we will just add those bolt nuts in the future. The panniers. We have put one L clamp here, and it's the last slot which we can use. You can see that we have put it at the last slot. Here also we have put at the last slot. Here we have put it at third slot. Here also we have put at the last slot. The same slots we have put on the other side to balance the weight and dimensions properly. This is the support clamp from the left side pannier to the right side, which we have done from outside workshop. The default one is a bit shorter, whatever we got from the Cookies. So we made it outside, and this will hold from the tail rack's support rod also, so that it's not going to shake or something like that. It will get loosened after some time. It will not happen. These are the two keys what provided by the Cookies. This clamp will be open. and the clamp will be fixed to the pannier case and lock it back like this. It's a bit hard initial days, but that's fine. On an like gradual days it will be fine. Similarly the other one also. Let's try putting the top box now. Mount and unmount is so easy. That's what the beauty of the Kokis panniers and top box. And the back support we have not yet attached. Let me open the top box and panniers and show you. This is the handle which they have fixed inside to make packing easier, which we have to remove and fix it outside, which will be helpful while carrying it around. That handle is there in all boxes, but I haven't put it in. Finally, it's done. The beauty beast.